Look who likes grapes. Is that yummy, Mikey? Is that a yummy grape? Yes? Isn't he so cute? I love you. I love you, Mikey. Yummy. I got these from Costco. They are organic grapes. They're really big, nice and juicy. They love getting the juice out.
And they're nice and jumbo.
Yeah, jumbo. Is this your first grape, Mikey?
I think it is.
Look at, he's saying yes. This is great, guys. Nice short video. I just love doing these little clips. They're so cute. I can just put it on Love Your Parrot for my Love Your Parrot crew. I don't need any editing, huh? You're just so cute. We're just gonna slap this video right on our channel. Oh, are you done? Here, let's see. Let's give it to you again. You're so cute.